Hey guys, this is Nor here. Are you having trouble with your Windows 11 upgrade? Maybe you're getting a message that says your Windows 10 PC is not compatible. So you're not going to be able to upgrade to 11. So don't toss that computer out. I can help you get Linux installed on that computer and you can play games like Steam. You can play on the Steam for free, free to game. It'll be free. The operating system is free. You don't have to pay Microsoft anything. And you'll get basically every functionality you had in Windows 10. So you can do this for free. I work for tips. Don't charge anybody anything to help you do this. You can catch me on my Discord at Shizanara. I'm Shizanara on Discord. Or email me at theshizofTech at gmail.com. TheshizofTech at gmail.com. Shizanara will help you get you set up. Lead you every step of the way. Get your old computer that they're telling you is trash. It's not trash, it's good. I'll get it running for you. You'll run that computer for years on end. So don't worry about Microsoft not supporting Windows 10. It's time to make the switch on that computer at least. Get them running. And I will help you get them running every step of the way. I'll lead you through it. You ain't got to worry about a thing. I got you. This is a tech right here. This is Nara. Out. Let's go, Linux. Bye bye, Microsoft.